Today's topic is chemical characteristics of water, in which chloride, nitrogen, and dissolved gases. First is chloride content. Chlorides are generally present in water in form of NaCl, sodium chloride, common salt, and may be due to leaching of marine sedimentary deposits or pollution from seawater or industrial and domestic waste mixed with water. Measurement of chloride content. It can be measured by titrating the water with standard silver nitrate solution using potassium chromate as indicator. Chloride content of water to be supplied or in potable water should not exceed 250 ppm or 250 milligram per liter. This is the prescribed limit for chloride content in potable water. Next chemical characteristics is nitrogen content, which is the very important topic. Nitrogen content. Nitrogen content in water present in four forms. Presence of nitrogen is an indication of presence of organic matter or pollution. First form of nitrogen content in potable water in the form of free ammonia. If free ammonia present in water, it means it indicates first stage of decomposition of organic matter. Means recent pollution, not old pollution. Second form is albuminoid or organic nitrogen. If organic nitrogen present in water, it indicates quantity of nitrogen in the form of undecomposed organic matter. Undecomposed organic matter, proteins and amino acids. And third form of nitrogen, nitrites. It is the very dangerous. If nitrites present in water, it is very harmful to health or human body. Third form is nitrites. If present in water, it indicates presence of partly decomposed organic matter. This partly decomposed organic matter is dangerous. And fourth form is nitrates. If present in water, nitrates indicates presence of fully decomposed organic matter or organic matter have been oxidized. The limit of free ammonia in potable water is 0.15 milligram per liter, and measured determined free ammonia measured by simple boiling. Free ammonia determined by the distillation process, measured by simple boiling the water and measuring the liberated ammonia gas by distillation process. This is the distillation process. Second form of nitrogen is organic nitrogen. Organic nitrogen limit, prescribed limit of organic nitrogen in potable water is 0.3 milligram per liter. Organic nitrogen in water should not exceed 0.3 milligram per liter. Measured by adding strong alkaline solution of potassium permanganate KMnO4 to already boiled water sample and again boiling the same when NH3 gas is liberated is measured. First two forms of nitrogen, that is ammonia nitrogen plus organic nitrogen, is called Fusel-Dal nitrogen. Fusel-Dal nitrogen. Third form, nitrites. Limit of nitrites in potable water, nil. In potable water, nitrites, there is nitrites no nitrites should be present. Measured by color matching methods, and color is developed by adding sulfonic acid and naphthamine. And limit of nitrates in water is maximum limit 45 milligram per liter. Nitrate measured by color matching method, and color is developed by phenol, disulfonic acid and potassium hydroxide. The color is then compared with standard colors. A disease due to presence of nitrites is called methamoglobinemia. Methamoglobinemia, or in general name blue baby syndrome, due to too much of nitrate. Too much of nitrate. Next chemical characteristics: metals and other chemical substances. Tests are carried out in order to determine the amounts of various metals as iron, manganese, copper, lead, barium, cadmium, arsenic, selenium, fluoride. Their amount can be estimated by using color matching method, and prescribed limit of some metals and their effect of human bodies are as follows. Metals and prescribed limit according to WHO, World Health Organization. WHO prescribed limit and BIS limit in milligram per liter, and harmful effect on health. First is arsenic. Arsenic limit according to WHO 0.01 milligram per liter, and according to BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard, also 0.01 milligram per liter. Effect on health is accumulation in liver, cancer, diabetes. And second is barium, according to WHO 0.7 ppm, and this is the highly toxic element. Next is cadmium. Cadmium, according to WHO 0.003 ppm, according to BIS 0.01 ppm. Effect on health: cumulative and toxic. Chromium, as per WHO 0.05 limit, as per BIS 0.05. This is chromium fifth is more toxic than chromium third. Two types of chromium. And copper. Copper, WHO, according to WHO, not prescribed, and according to BIS, limit is 0.05 ppm. Essential to human, but larger quantities affect human lungs. Lead, according to WHO, 0.01 ppm, according to BIS 0.05, and effect cumulative in humans and livestock, may cause mental retardation. Mercury, according to WHO 0.001 ppm, according to BIS 0.001 ppm, effect methyl mercury is 50 times more toxic than inorganic mercury, very slowly exerted from human body. Nickel, according to WHO 0.02, BIS not prescribed, effect low oral toxicity to humans. And selenium, according to WHO 0.01 and also BIS 0.01, effect cumulative and poison in human. These are the some toxic metals. And next chemical characteristics is dissolved gases. Various gases which may get dissolved in water are nitrogen, not very important, hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide H2S give bad taste and odor. CO2 carbon dioxide indicates biological activity. Oxygen, if oxygen is less, it indicates presence of organic matter. This is a very important term. Oxygen present in water for aquatic life is necessary. oxygen. If oxygen is less, it indicates presence of organic matter. Determination of determination of deficiency of oxygen. Method: mix water sample with 10% acid solution of potassium permanganate (KMnO) and to expose the mixture. First, take water sample and mix 10% acid solution of potassium permanganate KMnO4 and ex expose the mixture to atmosphere for 4 hours at 27 degrees centigrade or room temperature. The quantity of oxygen absorbed can then be calculated by titration, and permissible limit of oxygen in potable water is 5 to 10 ppm. Minimum limit 5 ppm and up to 10 ppm or milligram per liter should be present in potable water. The extent of organic matter, it means present in water sample. If organic matter present in water sample can also be easily estimated by supplying oxygen to this sample and finding the oxygen consumed by the organic matter. Oxygen consumed by the organic matter. Organic matter oxidized by the oxygen. So oxygen consumed by the organic matter present in water. This oxygen demand is known as BOD, biochemical oxygen demand. BOD will indicate extent of treatment required for purifying the water. So these are the some chemical characteristics of water. Thank you.